Hey, welcome back! Today I'll show you how to use CSS before to add a slick new badge to a product card without touching the HTML. Let's make it clean, modern, and 100% CSS powered. Let's go! First, here's a basic HTML structure for our product card. This is just a simple product card with an image, title, and price. Nothing fancy here yet. This is our HTML part. Let's style the card first to make it look nice. This gives us a clean card with a hover lift effect. Now let's add the new badge. Here's what's happening. Before targets the product card itself. We use content new to add the label. It's positioned with absolute, and we rotate it with transform to create that ribbon effect. The red background and white text give it a strong visual pop. Now when we refresh, the new badge appears beautifully across the corner, and we never added that text in the HTML. That's the power of before. That's it. A stylish badge using before with zero HTML changes. Try using this technique across your UI to highlight items dynamically with just CSS. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the comments for the CodePen link. See you in the next one.